will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but the content of their character. I have a dream that one day the Red Hills of Georgia, the sons of former slaves and the sons of former slave owners will be able to sit together at a table of brotherhood.
And now,
The United States was changing. New laws were passed. Blacks could go to the same schools as whites. They could go to the same stores, restaurants, and hotels. White only signs were against the law. In Memphis, Dr. King stood outside his motel room. Another man, James Earl Ray, who disagreed with Dr. King's ideas, was there. He ended Dr. King's life.